Hi, I'm Edward,
And I'm Susie.
and we're the founders of Classic Journeys. Over the last 30 years, we've been able to sit at this wonderful nexus of really engaged, interested travelers and amazing local people that we know. And we've been able to connect them and show them that the world is a lot smaller than most of us think.
At Classic Journeys, we're known for creating the most genuine and authentic walking tours in the world.
We do that by scouting every single one of our tours ourselves. We often joke that we kiss a lot of frogs to find Prince or Princess Charming.
Our goal is to provide a trip of a lifetime for every guest on every departure.
It all starts with curated walks. These are walks that if you're looking to have your Fitbit or your Apple Watch buzz because you got your steps in, don't worry, you will. We don't even want you to feel that buzz on your wrist because you've got a buzz in your soul from the amazing people and places that you're seeing.
When you're out exploring on foot, provides us a sense of place and a way to slow down and really get in touch with the local region.
It also means that we're meeting with people who are these amazing, what we call makers, and they might be winemakers, olive oil makers, cheese makers, shepherds, potters, historians, anyone who can make the experience richer and deeper. They end up being super knowledgeable about some particular thing that interests them and they become expert in it. And then they share that expertise and that passion with us.
Of course, none of this would be possible without our local guides.
The guides they're the most amazing people you've ever met. They're like your favorite cousin who lives in that place where you're exploring. They draw you into their culture and help you feel really welcome, like
family.
Yeah, like family.
At the end of a long day of exploring, we want our guests to come back to an incredible hotel.
We look for these beautifully preserved, restored, boutique accommodations. They're perfectly sited, award-winning. They really get you this sense of the place through the accommodations.
There's so many different ways to explore and experience a culture.
One of our favorite ways is through the cuisine.
It doesn't mean we're only spending our time at Michelin-starred restaurants.
We're eating like and with the locals.
To us, it gives us another dimension of what life is like in that area.
We took a way of travel that we happen to love, exploring on foot and meeting local people, and we turned it into a force for good that's making a meaningful difference in the lives of the people and places where we're exploring.
It really means a lot to me to be able to support local communities.
Every dollar that our guests invest when they travel with us goes directly into the pockets of the local people who welcome us so warmly.
It's called regenerative travel, and it means that we are actually helping to sustain the people and the cultures and the ways of life of the places we explore.
We've been able to bring people together and cultivate authentic and meaningful experiences that prove that travel can be a force for good. And I'm really proud of that, and I'm really grateful that we've had the opportunity to be a part of that equation.